Hello everybody, welcome to the Real Life Health Show. I'm so excited. As you know, I have so many fruit trees in my yard. I have a channel on YouTube about fruit trees. I love fruit. I love eating fruit. I love the sweetness of the fruit. However, when it comes to nutrition and the value in foods, this tree here is so special to me, and it's not a fruit tree. It's called a moringa tree, and the leaves are edible. You can just eat them right off the tree. And a lot of people get it in a powdered or capsule form. Moringa is a food that's so nutritious, and some people find it hard to believe when I tell them. From all the trees I have, all the amazing exotic fruit trees, moringa is to me is one of the most valuable because it's so packed with vitamins and nutrients. Not that fruit isn't, but this tree is really special in some places around the world where they really can't afford or have access to good fruits and vegetables. They literally live off moringa because moringa has so many nutrients in it. And when a lot of people tell me, ask me about supplements and things like this, I say, look, if you can't grow this tree fresh, you want to take it like in a powder form or a capsule form or an oil form. And it's so important. And I want people to be healthy. I want to be healthy. So that's why I take these leaves. Sometimes I put in my salad. Sometimes I take it and I powder the leaves. I powder them down and I put them in my smoothies. And I love to have them. And here they are in capsules, which I have now on my website on rawlife.com. If you want to be successful and be healthy at doing the raw vegan diet, I think the edible greens, the wild edible greens like the moringa, and I have another tree here called a gatuk tree. These things are really the foundation of our diet. So I've been doing this a long time, and I've learned a lot. And fruit's okay, and vegetables from the store, you're starting to lose quality a little. But when you get a tree like this and you powder down the leaves, they'll last a long time. Or if you can't eat them fresh, I even have an oil that I have on my website as well. But the really cool thing now is I'm actually growing sprouts out of these. Yes, the microgreens from the seeds. So this is the seed pod. And right here, that's how the seed pod looks. Let me take it for you here. This is the seed pod, and there are seeds in here. And these trees only grow in a tropical environment, but you could take the seeds and you could actually, here's some seeds right here from this. You could take the seeds and you could sprout them. So just like you would grow sunflower sprouts or wheatgrass, you can sprout these. The cool thing about these is on wheatgrass and sunflower sprouts and broccoli sprouts, they only sprout one time. But these keep growing because if you let them grow, they'll grow into a tree like this. But if you don't let them grow, you keep cutting the sprout keeps growing back. And you could take those sprouts and put them in your salads and things like that. So these seeds are very valuable. And I have these seeds for sale on my website as well. So I got the capsules, I got the oil, I got moringa oil if you want to just take it under your tongue or something. I got a tincture as well. And now I have the seeds as well. So it's so important. Again, I've been on videos, I've gotten interviewed, and people ask me all about my fruit trees. And there are other trees other than just fruit trees, and this is one of them, moringa. So definitely, I'll put the links below the videos to them. And I'm going to have a smoothie right now, as a matter of fact, and I'm going to put some of these leaves, or actually I'm going to put some of the powder in them. The capsules I'll take with me when I travel. They're easier to do that, but at home here, I get the tree right from me. But everyone should have, I believe, everyone should have either the oil or the seeds or the capsules with them. And again, this isn't like a man-made supplement. Even though it's in a supplement form, this is right from the tree moringa, and it's bringing something that can only come in certain parts of the world right to people all over the world. So if you're eating a raw vegan diet, I definitely recommend moringa. If you go on YouTube or somewhere and you just look at the research about moringa and how amazing it is, you'll agree with me, and you should get it in your diet. This is the true multivitamin of nature right here. Moringa. The true multivitamin. All right, everybody. Let me know your experience with moringa. Put your comments and questions below the video. Remember, if you want to get these, the links below the video now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.